This tutorial provides a clear, step-by-step guide on how to delete the group on Roblox. Whether you're no longer interested in managing the group or wish to disengage with its members, this guide will help you through the deletion process effectively. So, let's get started. So first, open the Roblox app. After you open the Roblox app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already opened and logged in. If your account is logged in, click the More tab, which is located at the left side of the screen below the Party tab. While we're in the More tab, click the Communities tab beside the Friends tab. While you're in the Communities tab, choose a community you want to delete or leave the group, which is located at the left side of the screen. For example, I choose this group, so I click it to open the community information. While we're in the community you want to delete or leave, click the three dots in the community section. The menu appears. While we're in the menu, click the Leave Community button to leave or delete the group. The notification appears. Just click the Yes button so that we can delete or leave the group. As you can see, the group you have deleted is not on the list. Deleting a group on Roblox is a straightforward process that involves logging in, navigating to your group, and confirming the deletion. Remember that once a group is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so ensure that you really want to go through with this action. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out through the comments or email as mentioned in the video. Happy gaming!